Hello everybody, Jared DeAnda here with Cruisin' Comfort, your best solution for your 12-volt air conditioning. You're hot, we're cool, so why don't you get with Cruisin' Comfort. Today we're going to be installing one of the units into this 32-foot fountain owned by the president of Cruisin' Comfort, Chris Fry. The unit we're going to be installing in particular, the MES 6000. It's 6,000 BTU with 3 compressors. It measures 26 inches by 14 inches by 10.5 inches tall. There's a few imperative things I'd like to point out when you install your Cruisin' Comfort unit. First off, make sure you find an adequate area that's going to best utilize the recirculating air through the unit. Reason being, as it passes through the unit, it's going to get colder and colder. So for optimum cooling temperature, you want to make sure it recirculates its own air. Now speaking of plumbing, when you go to drill through your fiberglass, make sure you do it right the first time. This isn't something you want to do over and over again. And obviously when you put holes in your boat, you're going to want to make sure that it's sealed, so use the proper sealant. After you have your water intake installed, you're going to run your tubing. You're going to want to make sure you have 2 brand new dedicated Group 31 batteries. Power is imperative that you get optimum performance from your Cruisin' Comfort unit. Once you have your adequate power via those Group 31 batteries, you're going to make sure you run the adequate power cables for your unit. Now, attached to that unit, you need to make sure you have a waterproof marine circuit breaker. Why? Well, because this is your investment. You want to make sure it's properly protected. Once you have your plumbing run, your power, now you're going to install your vent. Make sure that that vent is as high as possible. As cold air falls, you're going to receive optimum performance from your unit. Now remember, these are just a few tips and pointers to properly install your Cruisin' Comfort unit. For any other questions, reference your install manual.